It's essentially GrooveVideo, but better. GrooveVideo, if you haven't noticed, has already been rewritten. I wrote this in a day, and it's right here. It's called videoplayer.gg. It's essentially GrooveVideo, but better, right? It's just nicer to use. And you create a video, right? So you get, let's actually just use an existing video right here. You click edit, you paste your YouTube URL in, right? You've got your video details here, okay? You have your theme. So if you want the default theme, YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia, right? Very much like GrooveVideo, right? You can put a thumbnail, change the watermark in the bottom color, all your sizing here. I always recommend just let it fill the container. Your playback settings, like so much easier than GrooveVideo, right? You got your icons here. Which one do you want? I have this one. You got your settings just like we had with Groove. You've got what happens at the end of the video. Do you want banners on it? It's just cleaner. It's more modern, right? Your call to actions, and you want to put an opt-in form gateway on it. And it's that simple, guys, right? Editor view means that you get to see everything. Here is how the audience will see it, because we have the thing shut off here, right? You want to now publish. You simply get your links and embed it anywhere you want. It's that simple. Okay, so we replaced GrooveVideo for you with something called Video Player, and guess what? Because it's AI, you're going to get better analytics. It's just a better dashboard for you to use and everything like that.